Today we could learn more details on one of the most notorious mysteries in Minnesota's history, the 1989 abduction of Jacob Wetterling.
Sources tell WCCO Danny Heinrich could appear in federal court as soon as today as part of a plea deal. Now, this farm in the Painesville area is where Wetterling's remains were found last week. We're told Heinrich led investigators to this location along a tree line. Heinrich is in jail on 25 counts of possessing and receiving child pornography. His trial in that case is set to begin next month. Ashley Roberts brings us more on this story from the newsroom. Ashley?
Kim, good morning. Danny Heinrich is 53 years old, and he could spend the rest of his life behind bars in the child pornography case. For months, federal prosecutors and Heinrich's attorneys have been in talks to work out some kind of a plea deal. No one directly involved in the plea negotiations would comment on the record. Sources tell us the talks have involved months of negotiations that would have only happened with the Wetterling family's approval. Our sources say part of this deal involves Heinrich explaining in court what he did to Jacob. Veteran Twin Cities criminal defense attorney Joe Friedberg, who is not involved in the case, says this type of plea negotiation is unprecedented.
I would assume that he got immunity in relation to the death of Jacob Wetterling. Otherwise, it's just pure coming to what he is with himself. I mean, I can't imagine he just said, look, I've done this and I've lived with it for so long, I like to get rid of it. My guess is some form of immunity was given to him so that he would lead them to where Jacob's remains are.
Legal experts tell us there's absolutely no chance Heinrich would get out of prison early with this plea deal, but he could serve his time in a better federal prison. Kim?
Ashley, is Heinrich's court appearance set in stone, or could he back out?
Well, he could change his mind and not go to court. On the chance that happens, Kim, prosecutors could still go to trial on the child porn case.
Okay, Ashley Roberts, thank you.
Jacob's memory lives on through the work of the Jacob Wetterling Resource Center, and a childhood friend of Jacob who now works there wants people to continue to honor his legacy. Allison Fee works to protect innocent children from abuse. She wants everyone to know that Jacob Wetterling's loved ones are not grieving the loss of a child 27 years ago. They're grieving the loss of a child last week. She says the Wetterlings, who have been asking for privacy at this time, are steadfast in their mission to keep helping other children.
He took Jacob away from us in this moment. We're not going to let him take anything else. And that's been Patty's message. And she let us have happy childhood. She let us laugh. They know that laughter is important, and that's always been a value. And he was a fun kid who liked to laugh.
Patty Wetterling posted yesterday, quote, everyone wants to know what they can do to help us. Say a prayer, light a candle, be with friends, play with your children, giggle, hold hands, eat ice cream, create joy, help your neighbor. That is what will bring me comfort today. Stay with WCCO. We'll have continuing coverage all day of any developments in the Jacob Wetterling investigation.